Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into AWS IAM, a powerful tool that decides who gets in and what they can do in AWS. Think of it as the VIP bouncer at a club, making sure only the right people access specific resources. It's all about security, permissions, and keeping things locked down yet functional. By the end, you'll see how IAM simplifies and secures AWS environments. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine IAM as your personal security guard for AWS. It decides who gets in, what they can do, and keeps the bad guys out. Whether you're setting up users or managing roles, IAM ensures a structured and safe environment. We'll explore how it works and why it's crucial for AWS security. Security is everything in the cloud, and IAM plays a critical role in keeping AWS environments safe. Without it, you risk unauthorized access and chaos. IAM gives precise control over who can do what, ensuring compliance and minimizing risks. Let's see why every AWS user must embrace IAM best practices. Managing users one by one is like herding cats, tedious and unpredictable. IAM groups help streamline this process by assigning permissions collectively. Instead of handling each user separately, you organize them into logical groups, making administration a breeze. Let's explore how to set up users and groups effectively. IAM roles are like guest passes, temporary yet powerful. They allow services to access AWS resources without permanent credentials. Policies set the rules, ensuring things run smoothly. By using roles instead of hard-coding credentials, AWS stays secure and manageable. Authentication asks who are you, while authorization asks what can you do. Together, they shape access control in AWS IAM. Think of it like entering a building. You first prove who you are, then get permission to enter specific areas. Strong authentication methods like multi-factor authentication make AWS even more secure. Imagine handing out special passes at an event. IAM roles work similarly, granting permissions dynamically without permanent credentials. They allow AWS services to perform tasks securely, keeping access fluid and controlled. Applications and services can assume these roles, meaning no hard-coded credentials lurking around. And of course, policies act as the rulebook, defining what's allowed. It's like giving just enough keys without opening every door. Security is like locking your front door, not too tight to trap yourself, but just enough to keep intruders out. IAM best practices ensure access is granted only as needed, minimizing risks. Regular key rotation stops stale credentials from becoming security gaps. Using IAM policies keeps things scalable, avoiding messy inline permissions, and keeping an eye on IAM activity with CloudTrail. Well, that's your security camera, keeping tabs on who did what. Think of MFA as a double-check system, like needing both a key and a secret handshake to enter. Even if an attacker gets hold of a password, they can't break in without the second factor. AWS supports various MFA methods, from apps to physical security keys, ensuring flexibility. Whether you're an admin or a regular user, MFA is a must-have. After all, you wouldn't leave your house unlocked, right? IAM policies are basically AWS's way of saying you may do this, but not that. Written in JSON, policies contain statements with key elements, effects, allow or deny, actions, what can be done, and resources, where it applies. These policies stick to users, groups, or roles, determining access. Need precision. Condition keys let you refine permissions further. It's like setting rules at home. Everyone knows who can touch the TV remote. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.